What is up, everybody? We are here on a new day, very sunny day on the Upshift Z71 channel. Atmospheric pressure. Today, it's a little bit different. I'm not with the Cummins, but I am with the Silverado here, and very loud with all these damn semis. Very industrial area here in Pennsylvania, Keystone State. 717, you guys all know. Today we got something a little bit different planned, and it's actually something very big. We're actually going to be heading out of the state, and I'm pretty sure that is the plan for today, but I'm not really sure. I always plan these things out of random. I'll go home. You know, I feel like doing this today, and that's usually what I do. And I'm probably going to be taking the Silverado today, but we'll see. She is definitely my favorite road tripping vehicle as of right now because there's just so much done to her, but the Cummins is the cleanest. I was not able to clean the Silverado the other day, and I definitely do need to get to that eventually. Very, very dirty here in the wheel wells. Suspension angles are looking great, and of course the new mod that was recently installed on the Silverado, the Rough Country forged steel upper control arms, are looking so good, just about as thick as the lower control arms. And I do need to clean the truck up though. She is looking pretty dirty, and especially here right around the door region. This is where all trucks all get dirty at. Yeah, I can still see through my tint. That means it's not dark enough. We're definitely going to need to go darker here. So you guys may be wondering, why am I not using my new camera? Why do I keep using this GoPro? I don't have to focus it. It's very small and compact, just throw it in my pocket. And if there's any cool things on the road, it's so much easier to navigate through to get a good picture of it. And of course, I could be in situations where holding a big camera is not very feasible, because if I go into, let's say, a Walmart or a store or any old building, people are going to be looking at me weird if I'm holding this big camera with a dead cat microphone on top of it. So yeah, Silverado is going to be due for a new oil change soon. Really racking up the miles here. I'm gonna have to do a couple maintenance things with the Cummins as well, so there's a lot of different things that have to be done here. Update on the dieting plan. I've been eating a lot of food lately, tons and tons of more calories being put into my body, but I'm not gaining any fat, so that's always good, and I'm gaining muscle very fast. So make sure to eat if you are willing to gain muscle. I always thought, you know, I could probably gain muscle and lose weight at the same time. It's not true, guys. Well, once again, it's come to my attention that my hard drive is filling up at a rapid rate. My videos are getting a little bit longer. It's taking up a lot more space, so I guess I'm gonna have to get rid of more old videos. So maybe I should make a video again about looking through my old videos before I delete them, because, well, yeah, they're really taking up space. Oh yeah. I don't know if you guys are like this. Before I drive anywhere, I always got to get the music playing. Good thing I have satellite radio with all these nice presets that I can just get some good music going. 717 area does not have as many pickup trucks. I'm usually the one out of many that actually does drive a truck. I mean, look at this. No trucks. Yo, it's the freaking orange Cummins, bro. Yo, that is probably the coolest Honda I've ever seen, man. All right, it's been a long day. I need to get my energy drink, man. It's been forever. Porsche behind me, man. $300,000. All right, guys, I have no time to lose. I actually forgot that it's gonna get dark in 2 hours, taking a different car, so gotta go. See ya. All right, we're now on the way now. We got about an hour to go, but we got to get there quick because the sun is going to go down, so let's go. Had a near-death experience. Fun out on the side of the road, but I think we're good. But I'm also very tired, so it was hard to react. That was crazy. About to open up the drink of the day. It's the Highball Energy Grapefruit. 50 milligrams of guarana, 50 milligrams of ginseng, and 160 milligrams of caffeine. Thought I was gonna spill. All right, we made it. Just kidding, guys. We're here at Rutter's. Gotta get some gas. Let's do it. Tank is only like 5 gallons. The Silverado has like 22, and then the Ram is like 28. I got it. I wish I could do that. We got it on camera, but that Western wearing boots back there, it's where I got my first pair of boots, and then I sold to some guy in Illinois, and I sold them used, and they were pretty used. Someone bought them. So we were still on the road, and we got probably about like half an hour left. I'm not really sure. Sun is going down, as you can see, and yeah, I pointed you directly at the sun. Hopefully we'll get there pretty soon. Just trying to race. Oh, I actually did get lost at this place my senior year of high school, and it was right after a football game. We decided to head out there after eating some McDonald's, and it got really dark outside, and I decided to cut off the trail because I thought it would be faster to get to the view, and that was a horrible decision. We got lost for a long time. Eventually we made it back to the trail, we made it to the view, and got home safe, so it was all good. Second gen Cummins. Found St. Mary's University. Check that place out. Shamrock Restaurant. Look at that. There she blows, mother truckers. We made it. They have this here, middle of nowhere in this mountainous area. Tesla is already reaching out to the woods. This is horrible. I walked in today and I went up with my friend and I said, do you want to hear something cool? And he's like, oh, I don't know. And then I played this story on my Snapchat of my truck and he was like, is that a tractor? Because I didn't show him what it was. I was just having him listen to it. And then he was like, is that one of your trucks? And then I just walked away. We're still on the way here, and like I said, we were out of the state. We were in the state of Maryland. This is something that people plan out to do, but because they live in South Central Pennsylvania, I said, let's just go for it. Took a while to get down here, but now we're here. The sun is going down, and I don't want to get lost. Like I said, I've been lost here before. We got to make it there. When I thought we were making distance, we were right back at level ground with the road. This is horrible, and the moon is already out. We're about to do something very daring here. Oh wait, I don't know what it could be. It could be anything, and we are going to continue on. Hopefully we make it out alive. All right, gonna get a quick water break in. Let's roll. We're almost there. Just gotta head up this mountain. For Corvette. Gotta figure out which one will be good enough for me. Got another lifted Chevy right there, 1500 Pro Runner Edition. Oh my gosh. Carbon fiber on the spoiler here. Carbon fiber right here on the vent. Carbon fiber down here. Grand Sport. Carbon fiber on the top, carbon fiber on the hood as well. Just look at that car. Got carbon fiber down here as well. That angle right there looks so good. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. The competition seats, it says it right there on the seat. If I were to get a Corvette, I'd buy this one right here. Carbon65 Grand Sport. Duramax, 93 bucks. 15 city, 25 highway, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to be driving this extremely fast. Just that color, I can't even, it's like a grayish white. It depends on the light. So this is the Corvette I'm going to get. If I decide to get a Corvette as my first sports car, it'll be the one. It's either I'm going to get a sports car or a muscle car, but I think that might have to take the cake. It's such a nice car. I've always wanted a Corvette. 2018 Grand Sport. A little dirty though, but I'd definitely clean it up every single day. It's got 19-inch wheels in the front, 20 in the rear. It's got the 6.2 V8. It's a 7-speed manual. Awesome. 93, but they usually do good deals here at Chris Wells Chevrolet, so we could probably get them down pretty good. Carbon fiber, fake Alcantara stitching for the shifter. So I figured I'd check out some of these. Hey, is this street speeds? Not a Z06 though. So look at the red interior on that. Those seats look really good. Not the red seatbelt though. I'd always want that. Oh, it even comes red up here. And I usually don't like color on the wheels, but the red ring around these wheels look really good. And this is a Z06. It's got the supercharge. It's got a nice wing on it. I think it's like stage 2 on it, I'm not sure. So I know for a fact that the exhaust tips get pretty dirty very fast. I like these seats too, red and black. I kind of like that better than the full red, but this takes the cake. If I were to get a Corvette, it'd be this one right here. Alright guys, we are back in the 717, back in Pennsylvania. Follow me on Snapchat, you'll see all the progression I made until up to this point. I even got the sign of Pennsylvania that says, welcome to Pennsylvania. I forget what else it says, but it's on my Snapchat, so that's awesome. Definitely follow me there. Also follow me on my Instagram. But anyways, we're finally home, and I don't think I've ever fallen in love with a sports car as much as that 2018 Chevrolet Corvette Carbon65 edition. There was so many good features that I liked about that car, but then I looked at the white one with Lamborghini style wheels, and then I froze for a second. I said, I don't know which one I actually like the look of better. I know that the Carbon65 would have really good performance, but then again, it's not a Z06. I'm not really too sure of the specs here. I'm more of a truck guy. Definitely want to get into cars eventually, either a sports car or a muscle car, something fast, something furious, fast and furious. Gotta love them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next video. Until next time, have a nice day.